Hey guys, just coming in Glide Lake Road now, in for a ride. My son, what a day for a ride, most certainly. Going into Grand Lake now for a run, so anyway, we'll see how today goes. Hey guys, just got down the Glide Brook here, just come in across this bog, and yeah, this is the bog here. It's a couple kilometers long, and this is the area I'm in, but closer down to the brook, like I say already. So yeah, before I go down, I'm just gonna go down and check the ice and see how it is, and then from there I guess we'll get back on the move. Hey guys, just got down to the ladder down here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. There's a few tracks there and that going along the side and on the inner perimeter. So once I get over there closer, the trail's just over right there on the other side, so things will open up gradually as I go along. To anybody who knows this area, that is the Hummer Canal just right there along that bank. That's the road that goes to the intake and the main dam and the old house out that way. And yeah, this is good. Yeah, we're heading into Grand Lake now, and hopefully we're on our way and everything will be all right. I'll catch you on the next spot of interest. I just got in Grand Lake here, and just making a quick pit stop. Anyway, this is part of Grand Lake where I'm at, and so far it's been a nice travel. Anyway, see you at the next stop. Hey guys, we're almost in around Johnson's Pond now. We don't have much further to go, but yeah, when we get in around the area, I'll take a little quick video of Johnson's Pond. Then we might branch over to Ivy Pond and might go in around Bailey's Pond. We'll see how things are going. Right now things are going pretty smoothly, which is good. So yeah, just keep watching the video, and once I get everything put together for a video, we'll make one up and put it together. Anyone who is familiar with the snowmobile, this one here is a 2005 GTX 500 SS carbureted. She got E-start, reverse, 136 track on her. And to anyone who knows about the 500 SS's, it's a 600. And it's a touring machine. It's very comfortable. It's very good shape for the year. Well looked after and all that stuff. Last winter I had a Hardy Cat CR 4000R. I never had no reverse or nothing on it. So yeah, this is definitely a game changer for me. Anyway, I hope you liked the video once it's done. Hey guys, just getting into Johnson's Pond here, and yeah, I'll show you guys around and show you what it's all about. A lot of people comes in here ice fishing, and it's a very nice spot, and it's very nice of a day to come in and just to show you guys around and how my trip goes and stuff like that, right? So yeah, like certain spots I'll make videos on and try my best to provide the best quality video for you when you're watching it. So yeah, I'm gonna have a few different spots, mind ya, but it do take some time and a bit of work to provide the content that is needed to make a video, obviously. But we'll get there, and like I say, to be continued. Thank you. Hey guys, just in chilling around Grand Lake. Coming in the road now. And I'll take you guys on a little spin. Just to show you the area. Anyway, that's it for now. Keep to be continued. So again, just another quick pit stop here at Rogers Lookout, and I'm making my way to Pasadena. Yeah, just had a good ride in around Grand Lake there, and all that fun stuff. Here's the view of Hummer River, and Hummer Valley, and all that stuff, which is nice. Yeah, I'll just show you around trails right quick. Show you this sign here. And yeah, once we get to another pit stop or point of interest, I'll take another quick video, and hopefully we can figure something out, put the video together. Alright, thank you. Just a quick little pit stop, just getting in on the Pinchbrook Road from Pasadena. So the ride's going good so far. I got stuck once today. I had someone out help me get unstuck, which I knew him personally, so I thanked them. And yeah, I'm gonna head back to Deer Lake, and I'd say I'll take one little short video when I get to Deer Lake, and I think that'll be it then. Alright, well, I'll see you when I get some Deer Lake. I quick load up there, just getting in Deer Lake, and this is me trip for today now. So, for now.